Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this stylish Mazda 6. So this car features keyless entry. You get 19-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior, the front seats are heated and the driver's seat has driver position memory. There's the touchscreen that features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2.2 litre diesel engine that gives you 150 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 13,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please contact us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.